Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Alhamdulillah, we are slowly and steadily making progress. I understand some of you are finding it difficult because of a lot of concepts coming together. But just remember, it's a long journey, so we have got plenty to cover. So we have to take steady and firm steps. So I request everybody to try and put certain effort, try and remove some time and give some time exclusive to learn. Inshallah, once we do this, we will achieve what we are hoping to. So may Allah help us all to understand and to gain knowledge. Inshallah, in today's class, we will be learning about Harf. We'll be introducing you to Harf. But before I proceed to Harf, what I want to do is just to practice our pronouns. So this is something which has to go hand in hand. So let's do it together, inshallah. You have to say huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. Huwa means he, huma means they both, hum means all of those men, hiya means she, huma means those both females, hunna means all of those females, anta means you, anta means you male, antuma is you both males, antum means all of you men, anti is you female, antuma is you both female, and antunna is all of you females, ana means I, nahnu means we. So inshallah we remember this. So coming back to Harf. So what is a Harf? If you remember, in our introduction to words in Arabic, we did say that Harf is a word that makes no sense on its own. So if it is coming on its own, like in, on, to, it doesn't make on its own. So it has to have another word coming along with it to make a sense. So what is this Harf? Harf is a word that makes a noun which has a dhamma or a double dhamma, it turns into a kasra, single kasra or double kasra. So that is what we're going to learn. So a noun in its natural state, as we have told before, that it has got dhammas, double dhamma. If there's single dhamma, there has to be a reason, like al. If the al comes, then there's a single dhamma. There are other reasons why there is single dhamma. We will learn inshallah. But in its natural state, it has two dhammas. But if there is a fatha or kasra on a word, so there has to be some reason why the noun is ending with a fatha or kasra. That is what we are going to learn and understand in a sentence why this is happening, what's happening in the sentence. So inshallah today we will be learning the reason why a noun will have a kasra. Why does it get kasra? There are three reasons why a noun gets kasra. So today inshallah we'll be doing the first reason, that is the harf. So whenever there is a harf comes, you will find that there is a noun after it always has a kasra. That is the take-home message today, that when a harf comes, when you see a harf, a noun after will have a kasra, and you will recognize this combination. So the harf, it always comes before a noun, or you can say there is always a noun which comes after a harf, either way. So what do we call these harf and these nouns? There is a name for these, and this is what we need to remember. So it is easy to communicate when we are analyzing Quranic sentences, so we can communicate easily. So this harf is called, the harf which makes a noun kasra is called harful jar. Harful jar. Jar means pulling down. This is the particle when it comes in front of a word the dhamma it turns into kasra. Because it pulls dhamma into kasra, it is called jar, harful jar. So, what is the noun which takes a kasra after it? What is that called as? The noun is called as ism majroor. Ism majroor. Majroor means that which has been pulled down. So this is a combination which comes. So it's a harf jar and there is a ism majroor. So these are the two terms which you need to really get very well versed with. So whenever there is a harf jar, you will always find that there is a noun with a kasra coming. It's called ism majroor. So if I say harf jar, always you should say ism majroor. It's like Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam, they come together. Harf jar will always come with ism majroor. And the both are linked. You cannot be separated. So whenever there is a harf jar, you will always find that the ism majroor is next to it, standing next to it. Okay. So now, just practice that harf jar comes with ism majroor. Should not forget this, inshallah. Harf jar, what do you say? Good. Ism majroor. So what are these harf? There are so many particles or harf in Arabic. We will try to memorize them. We will not learn all together. We will learn few at a time, inshallah. But we will memorize them first, so which makes it easy to recognize when we are reading, inshallah. So coming to what is harf of jar. So let's begin our journey to memorize this harf jar. So everybody, please concentrate. It's very easy. It's ba. So when you see a word ba in front of any word, then you know that's a harf jar, like bismi, ba. Ta, kaf, lam, waw, munzu, muz, khala, rubba, hasha, min, ada, fi, an, ala, hatta, ila. So it's ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw, munzu, muz, khala, rubba, hasha, min, ada, fi, an, ala, hatta, ila. So let's practice this, inshallah. If I say ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw, munzu, muz, khala, rubba, hasha, min, ada, fi, an, ala, hatta, ila. Let's do it again, inshallah. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw. So just remember this. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw. Let's say it again. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw. Munzu, muz, khala. Munzu, muz, khala. So let's go back again. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw. Munzu, muz, khala. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw. Munzu, muz, khala. Rubba, hasha, min, ada. Rubba, hasha, min, ada. Rubba, hasha, min, ada. Let's start again. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw. Munzu, muz, khala. Rubba, hasha, min, ada. Fi, an, ala. Fi, an, ala. Fi, an, ala. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw. Munzu, muz, khala. Rubba, hasha, min, ada. Fi, an, ala. Hatta, ila. Hatta, ila. So let's do it again. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw. Munzu, muz, khala. Rubba hasha min ada fi an ala hatta ila. Just need to memorize this. It makes your life easy, inshallah. So let's do it again. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw. Munzu, muz, khala. Rubba hasha min ada fi an ala hatta ila. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw. Munzu, muz, khala. Rubba hasha min ada fi an ala hatta ila. So try and pronounce the ayn from middle of the throat, inshallah. Let's practice again. So without seeing, if you can remember. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw, munzu, muz, khala. Rubba hasha min ada fi an ala hatta ila. Okay, let me help you. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw, munzu, muz, khala. Rubba hasha min ada fi an ala hatta ila. So this is our lesson today. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw, munzu, muz, khala. Rubba hasha min ada fi an ala hatta ila. So try and memorize this. These are harful jar. Whenever you see this word, and then you will find another noun after it, and it will have a kasra. And inshallah we will learn, as I said, few words at a time, and we'll carry on. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.